Good morning and welcome to the November 2025 Moongate Antigua update. Come on in, let me show you around. Here we are in the penthouse of one of the blocks. All the stucco finished and doors and windows going in, entryways going in, compounding finishes done, drop ceilings in. Electricians got all of the wires in, mains, Cat6 wires for telecoms, internet, television, all in. Tiles grouted, staircases being done. So a really exciting month of finishes and getting to a stage where we can see really what these buildings are going to be and how very special it's going to be to stay here. So the last boxes of IMCP's roof tiles being installed on all the accommodation buildings, the spa, reception, restaurants, all made here on the island and all installed by people who live and work on the island. So these are the last crates to be installed in phase 1. So just coming down the main guest stairway from the guest accommodation and making my way into the courtyard that takes you into and through the moon gate. So if there was a wedding or a function and the bride and father giver were coming down, they would come down here and present themselves to the guests right in the center of the moon gate. At the moment, this is the blank form that will support the moon gate, and next time I speak to you, we'll be walking under the concrete armature, which Hayden will then cover in our beautiful moon gate limestone. So thank you everyone for joining me for the November 2025 Moongate Antigua update. Looking forward to seeing you all at the end of December. Until then, please stay safe and keep well.